Here's the spatula strap cell. There's no neutral in it. Just for a test, I want to see what it does when one of the legs can float around freely. So the positive is on the inside and the negative on the outside. There's two spatulas attached to it. Let's see what happens. Well, it looks like I get great production from that everywhere. The most I get, to my surprise, from the spatulas, which I didn't really want to. I wanted to have the interaction between the straps. Let me pull this out. Let me see what's going on. I don't really. That's where I expected the most. Okay, that's where I get the most. Okay. I get nothing from the free leg, but I get a lot from this strap here, and also from the spatulas, which are, well, not really the spatulas, that's the straps down there, but it close together. So that's pretty neat. I get good production of just the two straps here, and I guess they will have no coolant problem because there's so much water in it. Let me see. So I want to pull this out. I want to show you what I did. That's the two spatulas screwed together with a large distance, and there's the two straps hooked up to it, and there's zip ties. You can see the distance, the spacing going all the way here. And there's the last zip tie. Well, that's just the end. This end doesn't produce anything, but this here produces. But to my surprise, where I have the largest distance, I get the most production out of it. I don't know why. Let me stick it back and see. Well, it's not from the spatulas. It is from the